Hey guys, we just got finished with the Veterans Museum, and let's go over to the business side.
Sure.
Show us what you're doing here, and show us how you might be a little different. You already showed us a lot how you're different.
Well, so this is part of the original part of our building. We started the business at my house 48 years ago, 3-bay garage, in a corner of my father's lot, farm and stuff. And
Was it built for you?
no, no, it was, both places were started in the cornfield. My place at home and this place here was a cornfield. But at home, we built the shop first, and all in 1 year, got married. We had a daughter, and opened a business and built the shop. So, and then we...
You weren't busy.
Yeah.
Not at all.
No. So anyway...
What year was this?
This was in 1977.
Where's Joey?
I wouldn't even thought of it.
I know.
Yeah. Fast forward and stuff. We had 5 children or 5 daughters at that time frame, and we got so busy around by our house because we had our mobile home and then a house right there. And then my father was able to, one of his friends had 6 acres for sale along the highway here.
Okay.
And I knew if I wanted to expand and grow the business, that was the right move to make. So we started and built this building in 1987 and stuff.
And that was done without any risk, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
That was back when interest rates, I still remember, 19-20%.
Oh, yeah.
And that sounds crazy, but I still remember my my payments over the old place. I mean, my payment was $585, and 23 of it went to principal, and the rest went to interest, And that was just a cycle, and you just kept working.
You just do the grind.
You just do the grind.
That's how it happens. And you don't come in at 8, you don't leave at 5.
No, you don't do that.
Yeah, a lot of it doesn't make sense.
Right.
And then you get down to the grind, I'm going to work for minimum wage. Mm-hmm. If you calculate it out at the beginning, you're going to work for minimum wage. Mm-hmm. And you're going to work 20 hours a day, and that's not an exaggeration sometimes.
No, not at all.
And you're going to work Saturday and Sundays a lot. And yes, you get to budget your time to where you might get to take off and go do something, but you get to pay for it 3 times over later. Yeah. So I'm giving a little history lesson here, people. Yeah. Most of what you see as people being successful is a nasty grind that you never see. So, and then you come into a business and someone gets a job, the standard operating procedure is already set up, that's already set up because someone did a nasty grind.
Mm-hmm.
So,
yeah, and that's pretty much the truth there, like there's no really off and on switch, when you start a business and or trying to develop a business.
There's no off switch.
Yeah, exactly. No off
okay.
switch. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
No off switch and stuff, so, but back then I know, when we started, there was no internet, there was nothing. And in order to get your name out there, we physically had to do events every week, every weekend to get our name out there or attend events, And that's how you grew the business and stuff, because you couldn't afford all the print advertising and stuff. You had to do something hands-on and stuff. So actually, that's all changed now with how people communicate. Back then, that's the only way that you could do.
Yeah, these guys behind the camera here.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I used to just put stuff in a trailer and go set up in a field.
Yeah, I believe that.
In an auditorium.
Absolutely.
When you were traveling too, I know you come here once with a truck and camper and everything.
Yep.
That was back in 15 or 16.
Yeah, had to be. Yeah. Good.
Yep. I lived in that thing. Bart Griswold had nothing on me. So, or Eddie.
Eddie.
Yeah, Eddie.
Yeah.
So what else do you want? What do you like to show us about your business?
So this was
this is show original place. We added on. We'll go back out in the shop and see everything. So this is, I guess, the original place Carl built.
Okay.
And it's
Hi, dudes. So this is Jeb. That's Eric. And that's
Hello.
Dave's our main diesel tech.
Hello.
Hell of a diesel tech. So.
They told me you put on all kinds of air dogs. I love you.
Right answer.
I love you.
This was the original shop that Carl had.
Okay.
In 2017, we bought the trailer business out there too, and we realized that this shop was not going to handle everything we were doing and the trailer work. Right. So in 2017, we added on the whole new shop we call it.
Let's go back here.
We knew the diesel side was going to
Growing. So
Yeah, it was growing, and
we needed a spot for all the diesel work. We needed a spot for all of our trailers.
Oh, wow. How many bays do you have?
Oh,
There's 8 in here, isn't there?
yeah, we can.
at least 15, 18
Yeah.
bays, depending if you count drive-through bays.
Out here in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So this is the new shop that we added on in 2017.
yeah.
Okay.
We do a lot of our cab off.
Cab off, I guess, his jobs all day long.
What I like about this is that I can come out here and not trip on stuff and walk
Yeah,
around.
we
And
try to keep it reasonable. I mean, it is still a shop, but I mean, we try
this
to
is
keep
very
it
reasonable.
fairly clean. There's a lot going on. We got 9, 10 techs running around all day long, so it's to keep up with all that.
What's your tenure like here?
Oh gosh.
I can see a place like this. keeping
Anywhere
people.
from, well, we just got rid of, or he retired one, but he was with Carl since '94, I think.
Yeah.
So I mean,
Really?
Yeah,
yeah,
turnover is very low.
I mean,
Yeah,
we got
that's
everywhere,
31
obviously,
years.
Yeah,
from 6 months to 10 plus years.
yeah,
We have a lot of people at FASS that have been there 10, 15, 18 years now.
yeah,
Not a lot at 18.
yeah, yeah. No, Cindy in our office, she's been with me
For
almost
almost
25 to 30 years.
Wow.
Yeah, stuff. So,
Nice. You have a beautiful shop, and it
Thank
just
you.
look.
yeah, so
I wish we had we had more of these shops representing us.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. You know, it's I don't know. We try to work in a square corner building. You know, my thing is a lot of times you walk in places and you're working in a circle because everything is so stacked up around the walls and the perimeter. It's a round building and it's not square, you know. And I always think if you're working in a square building, it's going to be pretty clean, you know. So, but
I thank you for representing our product the way that you do.
well, you're welcome.
And I'm going to get in a little trouble for putting this out on our social media and favoring a dealer, but that Veterans Memorial was worth taking a few punches. I'll take a couple black eyes. I like it. I like getting beat once in a while.
Thank you. Appreciate that and stuff.
I just want to say thank you for the tour, the time that you took off today. How does everyone get a hold of you?
We got a Facebook page, just Carl's 4-Wheel Drive. Phone 618-765-2199, or you got email too. It can be, our main email is carls4wd@gmail.com, or mine is jkcarls4wd@gmail.com.
Yeah, and our website is carls4wd.com and stuff.
And where are we again? I know we're in, this has to be Beans over here.
Yeah, you're in the country.
Yes.
We're
Yes.
about 40 minutes east of St. Louis, off 161.
Okay.
Yeah.
And name of the town?
Bartelso?
Bartelso. Yeah.
And where's your firing range?
Anywhere.
Okay. All right.
Anywhere you like,
Yeah.
almost.
Guys, thanks for watching this. I appreciate it. And you can see, and they love traffic coming in, even just for the Veterans Memorial.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So thank you.